Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about PicFinder, a free online tool that helps you find images for your creative projects. What is PicFinder? PicFinder is a reverse image search engine. This means that you can upload an image or enter a URL of an image, and PicFinder will find other images that are similar. Why use PicFinder? There are a few reasons why you might want to use PicFinder. First, it can be a great way to find free images for your creative projects. Second, it can help you find high-quality images that are copyright-free. Third, it can help you find images that are relevant to your specific needs. How to use PicFinder? To use PicFinder, simply go to the website and click on the Upload Image button. You can also paste the URL of an image into the search bar. Once you have uploaded or entered the image, PicFinder will show you a list of similar images. Features of PicFinder. PicFinder has a number of features that make it a powerful tool for finding images. These features include reverse image search. This is the main feature of PicFinder. It allows you to find similar images by uploading an image or entering a URL. Image filters. PicFinder allows you to filter images by size, color, and other criteria. This can help you find the perfect image for your project. Image search history. PicFinder keeps track of your search history, so you can easily find images that you have previously searched for. Image sharing. PicFinder allows you to share images with others. This is a great way to collaborate on creative projects. Conclusion. PicFinder is a powerful tool that can help you find images for your creative projects. It is free to use, and it has a number of features that make it a valuable resource. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped you learn more about PicFinder. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.